on the beat.
Hello to everybody. Hello. How you doing today? How you doing? How you doing to all my Putu people? To all my Putu people in America here, even in Liberia, because as we celebrating here, those are in Liberia too, they are celebrating with us. So I should add them there. To all my people around the world, in Australia, in France, everywhere, how you doing today? I'm very sorry after the convention on Sunday, I was not able to come on air to at least tell you guys thank you for the convention. I'm very sorry. But people who closer to me on that convention day, the 3 days, they know what I was going through. Actually, some people say they didn't plan days here, but the 3 days I really go through a hell the few days for my legs. My heels were already hurting me because doing the towing of those stuff, I slide, and then my legs, my muscle, I pull my muscle and it was hurting me. But they say, there come on, as a whole problem. People coming to you can't be standing here and be doing, So, like I went to work, my worker then was telling me, oh, we saw you dancing. I was dancing, but it was not easy. It was telling that I was carrying me through after God. God come first and telling that was carrying me through. And I was forced to do what I did that day because if I don't do it, I choose to be there, so I'm forced to do it. So that's why since Sunday, I have not come on air to say thank you to all my people. I'm very sorry. I apologize for that, for not telling you thank you immediately after the convention, but I'm very sorry. And I want to say thank you to my chapter president here in Philadelphia, Clary Masekwe. We want to say thank you for the successfulness of the convention. I want to say special thanks to Etes Sali. She said, my daughter, I'm going to host the convention, the dinner night. It's going to be a dinner night. Don't worry, whether any money there, money not there, I'm going to host it. And I want to say thank you to all her children, May Sali, Teresa Sali, Shelly Sali. Sally is our vice president for our chapter. I want to say thank you to every one of them for that dinner night. Thank you so much, my mommy, my auntie, and my mother for my Putu Apodebo. I want to say thank you so much. I take off my cap for you. Thank you. I salute you. And I want to say thank you to my own little baby sister, Tita Kuya Dui, and my other sister, the chairlady, Jaje Sewle Kuya. I want to say thank you to every one of you for your hard work. I want to say thank you to Susanna City and Susanna Hansen for preparing that cow hill. Thank you for that cow hill to prepare it. Thank you. And those who work on that cow hill on the pot, I want to say thank you to every one of you. Thank you to everybody that attend the convention. Thank you. I want to thank you to one of our elder Joy City, Koma Toby, and to my own uncle, Mr. Wablo. We want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to everybody. And I want to say thank you to my Raw Island people, Beatrice Kebe, all the Kebe, Tommy Kebe, the former president Kebe. I want to say thank you to everybody. Those that came from Raw Island to come for the convention. I want to say thank you to Jewan Jaba and her friends, twin sister, as they call themselves. Thank you to everybody. I really appreciate every one of you that came from Raw Island, even those that are in Philadelphia. I want to say thank you to the Kentucky people Those that came from Kentucky, thank you to everybody that came from Kentucky. My own sister, Lydia, how they call it, Gate, and the other girl, but I didn't really ask for her name, but I know her. But thank you, Mama. Thank you for coming, because it was not easy. This convention, it was back to back. Go to the other convention to vote and come on this side. So you guys are really made up your mind to come to Pudu Affordable Convention. Yo, thank you so much. I'm sorry if I don't call your name. Don't feel bad. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry if I don't call your name. Don't feel bad. I'm sorry. To the convention chair, I think not me, but to Pudu Affordable chair, I read her name, really slave from my mind, but thank you, Mama, you did well. Thank you to Minnesota people. We got our vice president for our international president, the vice president, living in Minnesota. Thank you for those that came from Minnesota to come for the convention. Thank you to every one of you that came from Minnesota. To my vice in Minnesota, thank you. You contributed to us here in Philadelphia when we were doing our stuff. You put in some money. Those who chipped in some money, I only heard the vice president name from Shady City, and I didn't know all of you, but those who put in small money, oh, I gave them, because certain time came, it was not easy. Thank you so much. Thank you to Shady City that paid for the DJ, and thank you for the DJ. Not only being a DJ, but a DJ to help, to drive here and then, to help. Thank you. I want to say thank you to our decoration team, to my own baby daughter, with the Portier Crowd. Thank you. You and your team, I tell you, thank you. Thank you to everybody. If I don't call your name, I'm very sorry. I don't call your name, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I beg you, don't really feel bad if I don't call your name, sorry. From Iowa chapter, oh my God. Thank you to Iowa chapter. Iowa chapter now, they come with their vice president. Oh yeah. After chapter, thank you. Elena Cole, thank you, Mama. You contribute the water when you can. You pay for all the water. Sherry told me, say you pay for all of the water and the whole everything. So thank you for coming. Hey, Elena Cole. Elena Cole is a vice president for Iowa chapter, because she can't on the convention. My Elena Cole that I know. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you to the cheerleader in Iowa, the national cheerleader. She not come, but it's not easy. But thank you, Mama. You did well. You keep calling me. You calling me. I don't know, at work or everywhere. You always calling. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you so. I appreciate everything. Thank you. Then we go to how they call it. We go to the chapter that's supposed to hold a convention this, I think, next year, 2026, which is North Dakota chapter. We say thank you to North Dakota chapter. We say thank you to Mr. Yancey, my own brother, who is the president. Thank to you and your wife. Thank you for coming, Papa. Thank you. The convention coming to your place. Oh, they hit that get a convention. They hit. But God will make everything possible, because God is the only person that can make everything possible. I tell God, thank you for everything. Thank you. Now, we come to the international president and the Queen of Seth, international queen. The international president. When you call in the president name, you quiet down. Because when we move from the international president, then we go to the former international president and his wife to be a beloved wife. My own son, Quincy Rue, and his wife. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to Paul Kewe. Paul Kewe, I was looking for your name. Thank you, Paul Kewe. You always there. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. You know I will look for your name. I will call your name. Thank you so much. You there. When the heat was there, you always coming. And the heat now finning. And you stay coming. Thank you so much. Thank you to our father in Philadelphia, my party and his wife. Thank you, Sis Kema. You always there. Even Mr. Party ain't go, you there. You go to Iowa, you there. Everywhere you go, you there. You go to Grand United Association, you there. You everywhere, Mama. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So my international, Blaya de die no, kafe ya de die no, lisi wa de die no. Kiri kiro kari kamu. No one de kamu. Maria de chala. Thank you so much, Mama. My international president. Thank you, baby. Thank you. No, my unse president there. My unse president. Thank you. Let God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much to you and your vice president. They are what vice president here. Yeah. The vice president. When you hear when we come, you say vice president, now you say, I send something. I will send something. Yo, thank you so much. Thank you, Tina, Be, Wablo, Money. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yo, thank you to all my Putu Apolebo. Yo, thank you, oh, my cheerleader here. Yeah, just same way. Thank you. Tita Kuya, of voice never finish my ear. Convention chair, she can forget about my own man. Hey, to say, mommy said, no way, convention chair. What we doing? Convention chair. Thank you so much, Mama. We tell God, thank you. Susanna Henson, thank you again. Thank you. All my people that are in Philadelphia, yo, thank you. Let God carry your truth. We said that our own Pudu Apolebo. Anybody who get there, anybody that they do something to, please, sorry. Convention get tension. I talked to my sister Tina. I said, look, the thing I will move my hand from Pudu Apolebo something. But when I move my hand, where are going? I'm going to Webley. It's the same thing. People who been held in the year, and the same tension that people been going through to Sapo Apolebo here in Philadelphia. My unse sister, Francie Meyer, and her cheerleader, they were there on a welcome program. They went to us, they sat down there until everything finished. They were there. Of course, they had another stop to go to, and they got places to run around. But they came, and they were there. And to my own national system born president, that's when that man you come here, I will pay. All the late small there where I pay, I will pay everything. Because national system born, I will never forget about national system born. Being in America today, to sit down in America here as Marie Nyanambo. When they brought me, I went by. But how I go by, they didn't want brought me first before I put a long row on the counter, then before I come back. So being in America, number one that God, after God, a national system born before coming by with my crew that brought me. I said thank you to Comfort Sova. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. All the club that came, United System born. Whosoever that came. When you come, when we not call you, sorry. Don't think got tension. Myself, I didn't know when I go on conference. They ain't carry the party. But the tension now is say, yo, thank you. Our dinner night was so nice. So those who get a lapa, hey, prepare a lapa. Pay the lapa. Our convention was good. Very, very good. And thank you to the man who carried a cow. Thank you so much, Mr. Father. You and your wife, your thank you. Your thank you. Your thank you. Those who never come on the convention, we not mad with you. They think them were not easy. They think them, lamb in the town, cow got deaf new. All the things, people got to go to the other place to go for. That they want paycheck, it not divided, nobody putting money in. So when you not come and I not call your name, don't feel bad. Sorry. But thank you too, because you put in time to go on outside to eat a play. Those that went there, your thank you too. That the same play. We all around, we so and so. So your thank you. Those who go on outside, you not come here, and I'm out with nobody. Your thank you. And of course, this is your old car with new engine, but they're gone down. No way to sing. They button a twist because she stretched, so she pull her muscle because people are calling me, why you don't sing? Why you don't sing? So the reason I pull my muscle because I was having pain on my muscle, so I'm able to sing. But now I work on it hard. Koto, and I say I'm gonna drop Koto to my door. I call for Koto. I say, Koto, you want to tell the people say I now reach the age? What about I tell the people say I just starting 30 something? But your thanks to my Putu Apolebo people, your thank you. My Philadelphia chapter, those few people that work together, your thank you. Your thank you. I know there's many things. Master God vex, but it's not easy. That convention, all the tension that convention. To my chapter president, your thank you. To who hold the lapa in our chapter here, prepare the money.